Hello and welcome to another video from Garden Cam Man. Today was a nice and hot day. What else can you say? The sweat came out of me. I couldn't put enough water back in, so I started putting all sorts of soft drinks back in. But basically I continued on with the Hypertostrum hedge. Carried a lot of loads around the front. That was quite a difficult job. I mowed a few lawns, I fixed a few sprinklers. Well, I didn't actually fix the sprinkler, I went and bought another one. It turned out to be much better for only $12. So now the lady wants me to go and buy 6 of them, and then she's just going to move her hose around the yard, plugging them into each one. So I came up with some good ideas there. I think she called me 99 actually. So I think that's in reference to what's his name? Someone smart. Max Smart, I think it is. That's the old joke. But anyway, back to gardening. What else did I do today? Yeah, it was a long hot day. I done some ride-on mowing, as you see in the end. But I think I'll start with the hedge. Done a bit of push mowing, done a bit of weeding. But yeah, basically the video will cover just what I've said. And I hope you like the video. Please hit the like, and thanks for visiting. Sprinkler keeps moving on its own because I had it facing that way. Now it's going that way. I don't know what's going on here, but I'll put it over here in the corner. might just, I'm going away for about half hour. Might just leave this here to see what's going on with that.
come up with a little idea to set the camera up just here. Get a bit of bird life. Get a bit of bird life.
So I'll get to it.